Hi, you guys! Are you looking over there? So, Mina, what are we doing today?
We're doing makeups today.
You're doing makeups today? Who are you doing makeup on?
Amawaya.
Who's Amawaya?
Yeah!
You guys, she doesn't say Roya, it's Waya. So, Mina, what kind of makeup are you gonna do on me today?
I think I like to do right there. This one, but
You wanna take that?
yeah, but
Take it. Take it and then show it to camera.
okay.
Here, I'll get that for you. You wanna show the camera how it looks?
Okay. Oh wait, I'm trying to close it.
Here. Hold it like this and show it them.
I gotta open it.
It looks like this, you guys.
Yeah, this
Mina,
is it.
is that the color you like?
Yeah, the color isn't this one. Color is my favorite one.
Which one?
This one.
She's picking this one, you guys. That's her favorite color. Okay, Mina, do you want to start my makeup? What do you do first?
Do first is like to put this up.
You want to do that? Okay, here. You can do that. Let me open it for you. Here, push my down button. Show the camera how you're pushing it.
Okay.
Here, go hold it up.
Okay.
Is that enough?
Yeah, no, it's not.
Okay.
Right there. Hey, this is right there. Look at.
Oh, good. Guys, she knows how to do the tapping motion. How does it look, Mina? Do you like the color?
Yes, the color is beautiful.
The color is beautiful.
Yes, so pretty.
Do you want to blend it out a little more?
I like it.
No, it's right here. Look at this. You have to do a little more.
I can do it.
You can do it?
Yeah, I can do it.
Yeah, you can. You're a big girl. You know how to do this. You watch me do it, right?
Yes.
Okay. Wow, Mina, good job. Look. The foundation looks good, you guys. Okay, what do you want to do next?
Next,
Which one?
I think this one.
You want to do my eyes first?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's the eye palette. And you know the brushes? Which brush are you going to use to do it?
I'm gonna just pick this one.
Which one? That one? Okay. What color are you going to pick? That's purple. Let me show them, okay? Guys, she picked this.
Oh wait.
So she picked this brush and she's going to pick up that shade.
No.
Here, I'll hold it.
Wait. Come close to me.
Okay.
I get it. I didn't get it.
You didn't get it?
I got it.
You got it? Yay.
I get it, Mom.
Wow, that looks so pretty, you guys.
Kid.
Wow, you're pulling my hair. Mina, do you have to hold my hair when you're doing this?
Okay, wait.
Oh, funny. Good job.
Now it's all done now.
It's all done?
Yes.
No more colors on my eye?
That's enough for this.
That's enough?
Yeah, that's enough. Right there with you too.
This one?
Yeah,
She wants to go in with this one. Do you know what this is, Mina?
I don't know.
You don't know? Are you so cute? Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna give her a hint, you guys. Do you know what this is? What is this?
I don't know.
Okay, where do you want to put that on my face?
And your cheek.
There we go. She knows. So it's called a blush, right, Mina?
Yes.
Is my face rosy enough? Is my cheeks rosy enough now?
Yeah. That's enough.
That looks good.
That looks beautiful.
That looks beautiful.
Yes.
You're beautiful.
Yes, you too.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Now this something.
You want this one? This is the Too Faced, you guys. Here, this is how it looks.
Yeah, that's funny.
That's funny?
Yeah.
Here, you want to... There's the brushes.
I think this color too.
You can mix two colors. You can mix it like that. Yeah?
I'm gonna put it on your chinky and then
Where you want to put it?
I wanna put it right there.
Right here? Okay. Ow. No, which one? That's what I
Funny.
know. Funny?
Yes, it's funny.
Okay.
Just like something different.
She wants to go with the concealer, you guys. Okay. What do you want to do with this one? It's kind of almost dead, but...
Dead or not.
It has a little bit. Where do you want to put this?
On your chin.
On my chin, okay.
I need to right there. This is the white thing called.
This white thing is called concealer.
Concealer?
Concealer.
I don't know what it's called.
It's called, say con.
Concealer.
Offering, give me a high five. Good job. What do you want to do with the concealer? Are you going to leave it like that?
Leave it like that.
You don't want to mix it with this?
I think so.
Okay, let's mix it. That's better, right?
Yeah.
Good job.
Now that's like it's fun to do that.
It's fun to do that.
That's done. I think I'd like this or this.
What is that?
That is this.
Whoops, okay, hold on. Sit down, I got it. You mean a small brush?
Yeah, the small brush I mean.
What are you going to do with the small brush?
I'm going to put it on, like, I want to put it on, I don't know.
You don't know? You know what, you can use this? You can put it under my eye.
Under
Over here.
Okay, but...
Well, you have to take some color. You have to take some eyeshadow. Do you know which color you want?
I think this one.
You want that brown shade? Okay. Just don't make me go blind.
Wait, where's the line?
Ow.
I put it on your eyebrows.
Are those called my eyebrows?
No, I don't. I call this one.
Okay.
Kid. Right there.
Well, this is how this looks, you guys. Good job, Mina. Do you like my makeup?
Yeah.
Do you think I look beautiful?
Yes.
Yes? Okay.
I want to pick what I want.
You want to pick what I want? You want? Okay, let me show you what's for eyebrows. These two are for eyebrows. You want to do this one or that one? Okay. So she picked this one, you guys. Let's... Here.
Where is your eyebrows? Like here? Is it right there?
Yeah, that's my eyebrows. So Mina, how old are you?
I'm 4.
You're 4? When is your birthday?
I don't know.
You don't know that? Okay. Yeah, I turn for you. Mina, do you like doing makeup on people?
Yes.
Yes? What's your favorite part?
Favorite part is a purple. Like this one. This one was my favorite part.
The eyes was your favorite part?
Yeah, the eyes was better.
The eye purple shadow?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's your favorite color?
I color purple.
Purple is your favorite color?
Yes.
Okay.
Just red to you.
Huh?
Just red on pink.
Red on pink?
Yeah, it's gonna make white or pink. It's because it turned pink.
Okay. Don't ask me what that means, guys. Oh, okay. Do you want to do my lashes? This is a mascara. You know what this is?
Mascara?
Yes. Do you want to use that on me?
I think so. Yes.
Okay. Here. You can use it.
No.
You can twist it. There you go. Good girl. Oh, this should be scary. I trust you.
It's funny.
Uh-oh.
I can't fix it. That's on your nose!
Uh-oh. It's okay. We can clean that.
Hey, you do it on me. No, that's beautiful.
That's beautiful. Okay. Should I clean my nose?
I did. Okay. Cleaning nose, yes. Do it like this.
But that doesn't give color.
Oh, wait.
These do give color. It's shiny and glittery. Kind of glittery. Okay, maybe that's enough.
Okay. Can I put it on right there?
Oh, well, that's a good spot to put it, yes.
I can hear it. Oh, it's shiny.
It's shiny. You like it?
I can put it right there.
You like that?
Yes, I like that color too.
You like the color because it's shiny?
Yes. Oh, I put that one there.
On my neck too?
Yes.
Okay.
No, that's fun.
It's funny?
Yeah, funny.
Okay.
And I wanted this to do on this. Like, I want to put it on it. Something on it, the color. And I want to keep.
Okay. Here, let me open it. Here. You want to pick up that one?
Yeah, that one is sparkly.
It's sparkly pink. Where do you want to put that?
I want to put it right there.
Okay. Right there. Nice. Why right there?
Because it's going to be beautiful.
Beautiful on my chin.
Yes, and here. I did the wrong side.
You don't like...
Yeah.
Mina, you're so cute. I'm not sure what's happening with this. What's happening with this, Mina?
It's gonna be beautiful too.
Okay. I trust you. So, are we done?
I don't think so. We're done.
You don't think we're done?
We forgot this one.
We did this one.
Oh.
Oops, it's okay. Leave it. That's okay. Just leave it.
I don't want
Okay,
to.
she wants to pick it up.
I just want to do it this.
You want to take the highlighter again?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Now I need to put the this right there.
Okay.
where I'm gonna put it on your nose.
On my nose. She's contouring, highlighting my nose, you guys. I'm dying.
You're not dying. You're joking.
Yes, I'm joking, Mina.
Yeah, that's better.
Is that better?
Yeah, just funny better.
Funny better?
Yeah.
Am I? Wow.
Okay, makeup is done now.
Yes, you guys, my makeup is done. I look so pretty, right, Mina?
Yeah.
Thank you, Mina, for making me look pretty. Who's prettier, me or you?
All of us.
All of us?
Yes.
But no, who's prettier, me or you?
Me and you.
How about mommy?
Mommy's pretty.
She's very pretty?
Yeah, and you too.
Well, thank you for making me pretty. Okay, Mina.
No.
What's your last name?
Mina.
Say, what's your full name?
My full name is Hashimi Mina.
What's your full name, Mina?
Hashimi Mina.
Fine. And what's my name?
Your name is...
Look at that camera. Look at there. What's my name?
Oh, I don't know.
You don't know my name?
I don't know what your name is. Ah!
You know my name. What do you call me?
Amawaya Hashimi?
Yes, good job. It's Amawaya Hashimi. Get up.
No.
Okay, Mina. Mina, say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Okay, we'll go look over there and say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe
to
Amaroya's channel.
Amawaya's channel.
Yes, and give this video a thumbs up. This video a thumbs
up.
You guys, she's literally the second person in my life that I have allowed to touch my face. And look what she did. It's pretty good, huh? Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
I love you guys.
I love you guys.
Mwah. Now kiss me. Mwah. Mwah.